so much. What's the pool for? I don't know then. But please vote. It's open. Saan siya, day? Wait for the other. Ano ba yan? Hindi na ako magtatanggalin. Ano to? Monetize ako, hindi pwede. Matanggal din ako dito pag tinanggal ko. Patanggal na nga ako na 3 buwan. Patanggal. Hello, Pablo Luis. Mommy, you're not replying. What? I'm busy for now. I'm looking for a wife live in Canada. Live in Canada? It's too... I am in Philippines, so... Congratulations, I am Miss. You know that. Congratulations. Okay, thank you. Thank you. But you said last time that my channel will not monetize anymore. Subscribe from India, mommy. Hello, Abdul Rahman. The Terran McCoy said that these guys are... I'm asking money to these guys who are my subscriber. That I am a gold digger. Do I am? If I am a gold digger, I am rich now. There's a lot of Philips. Oh, okay. Hello, SOC Canal. But it's okay. It's already past there, Macaulay. Let's just be friends. I was moving on for that. But then thank you for coming on my live. It's almost 90 days before I get back my monetized. Hmm. No, I'm okay. I'm your subscriber. Thank you. I hope you always... I'm busy on vacation because I don't like my channel because of the monetizing I can earn, so I go roaming around because of my, I'm sad. Mm-mm. You are already a sugar mommy. Maybe. I miss you, mommy ko. Yeah, I am a mommy, but I don't have any a boyfriend which is younger than me. No, I don't have. I want older than me. I miss you, mommy ko. Thank you, Joseph Marvin Bihar. Thank you for coming on my live. I'm happy that I'm back on monetize, so I earn even a little. Ang hot ni mommy ko ngayon. Kasi mainit din dito eh. Joseph, manood ka naman ng mga video ko na ina-upload na bago. Kasi gusto ko maka-earn ulit. Kasi yung mga videos ko na, yung old videos ko na viral is dinelete ko. Kasi hindi mabalik yung channel ko pag andun yun. Yung mga sexy video ko, dinelete ko muna yun. Hello, Adrian Alex. Para pag-apply ko, ma-approve. You have sister because I saw you same fish. You also Bantonggus. I do have sister. I'm only girl in my family. No sister, only 3 brothers. We are 4 in our family. I have 3 brothers. I'm only 1 girl in our family. The second girl is my mother. You have sister because if in Bantonggus, what is that place? Maybe it's a look-alike. I have many look-alike because my face is common face.